Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how we can create a YouTube thumbnail by using the canva.com. Friend, this is a very easy topic and we can very easily create a YouTube thumbnail by using the canva.com. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. First of all, see friend, by using the canva.com, it is totally free to create very good YouTube thumbnail. For that purpose you just need to go on canva.com. Okay, write canva.com on your browser, click on that and then you can reach here by using the canva.com. Here you first of all you have to register yourself and create an account on the canva.com. Once you create an account on the canva.com, then you can see that page. You have to log in into the canva.com and then you can see that page. Here there is a button, create a design. Click here on the create a design button. Okay, here there's so many options are available. Just search the YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see the YouTube thumbnail option. Click on that. So you can see that it is loading. So it has been loaded into the system. Here you can see many templates are available, photos are available, elements, text are available. So you can create so many templates here. For example, let me give you an example. For example, just see that template. Okay, this is the template for YouTube thumbnail. What you can do, you can easily change the text here, like for example my channel project management, I can write like that. I can decrease the size of the text like that. Okay, I can change that text as well. Okay, in that way I can change the text. Now also I can remove any icon, anything from here, like that way I can change. Also there you can see this is the picture already coming, so I don't want that picture. So what I can do, I can go in the upload section. Here so many images are there. I can upload any image from my desktop as well or my system as well. For example, let's suppose I can search here this picture. For example, I can just click on that. So this picture you can see that it is loading. Okay, once this picture has been will be loaded, I can use that picture here in my YouTube thumbnail. So just click on that. See, this picture came here. I can change the background. For example, this is the background. I can click here and like that I can change it like that. Okay, here you can see like that. It in that way you can see that it has been changed. I can change the text of the color like that, and now it is coming. Here you can see, if you click here, send backward, send back option are also coming. So this is the very good YouTube thumbnail you can create. Also, if you want to add any other text, you can just add like that way. For example, this is the text came here, and you can see you can add like that. Okay, so in that way you can add more text headings as well here. So you have noticed that it's very easy to create very good YouTube thumbnails. So you can just go there, save that YouTube thumbnail, and then you can download here. So you will notice that you can very easily download that image. Here you can click on the download, it will start downloading, and see, it is now downloading on your system. Okay, Then once it has been downloaded, you can use it in your system whenever wherever you want to use. So thanks a lot for friend for watching that video. I hope you like this video. Canva.com is a very easy to use software to make YouTube thumbnails, and first of all, very important, that it is totally free. You don't need to give any money, you don't need to give any single penny for creating the YouTube thumbnails. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.